This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade pudding. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and your preferred flavorings like vanilla extract. Make sure you have a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a whisk ready. Precise measurements are key to a wonderfully smooth and delicious pudding. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by whisking your dry ingredients, such as the sugar and cornstarch, directly in the saucepan. This helps prevent lumps. Next, slowly pour in about 2 cups of cold milk, whisking continuously as you add it. Place the pan over medium heat and continue stirring without interruption. This constant motion is crucial for a smooth, lump-free pudding. You'll know your pudding is ready when it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, usually after 5 to 7 minutes of cooking. Once it reaches this consistency, remove it from the heat. Stir in about 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra richness and flavor. For an incredibly silky smooth texture, press the hot pudding through a fine mesh sieve. Once your pudding is perfectly cooked, pour it into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent an undesirable skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the hot pudding. Allow it to cool slightly at room temperature, then transfer it to the refrigerator. Chill for at least 2 to 3 hours before serving to achieve the best flavor and set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.